Jamaica isn't what you think it is. Sure, it's famous for its beaches and reggae, but beneath the surface lies a hidden world, a side of the island most locals don't even know exists. Let's turn the map upside down and explore Jamaica's most remote and fascinating secrets. Most people think they know Jamaica, but venture off the beaten path, and you will discover a side of the island that's as mysterious as it is beautiful. These remote places don't just whisper stories, they shout them. From the rugged terrains of Cockpit Country to the tranquil isolation of Pedro Cays, each location has a tale to tell. Let's explore these hidden treasures and see why they are not just interesting, but also historically significant. First stop, Cockpit Country. This isn't just a rugged landscape, it's a natural fortress. With its steep limestone hills, deep sinkholes, and tangled forests, this area was the perfect stronghold for the Maroons, escaped enslaved Africans who fought off the British for decades. Today, the area remains largely inaccessible, with much of its biodiversity untouched by modern development. The air here hums with history. If you walk through its valleys, you're retracing the steps of warriors who secured freedom against impossible odds. Next, we journey to the Blue Mountains, where cool air meets the scent of some of the world's finest coffee. These towering peaks offer more than just postcard-perfect views. Historically, the Blue Mountains served as a refuge for runaway slaves, while its dense forests, houseplants, and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Hiking its trails is like stepping back in time, with small, isolated communities maintaining traditions passed down for generations. And at the summit, you'll feel like you're standing at the edge of the world. Now let's shift to the John Crow Mountains, the wilder sibling of the Blue Mountains. These slopes, steeper and less explored, are a true paradise for nature enthusiasts. Its dense forests shelter endangered species like the Jamaican blackbird, and the remoteness of the area means much of its flora and fauna thrive undisturbed. If you're looking for a challenge and a chance to experience nature in its rawest form, the John Crow Mountains should be on your list. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this journey through Jamaica's hidden gems, make sure to subscribe to the channel. By joining us, you'll uncover more interesting stories and hidden treasures. Your next adventure starts here. Far from the mainland, you will find Pedro Cays, a group of tiny islands that feel like another planet. These uninhabited cays, about 60 miles south of Jamaica, are a haven for seabirds and rich marine life. Fishermen venture here, and researchers study its delicate ecosystems, but the cays remain untouched by the hustle of modern life. Surrounded by turquoise waters, this is the epitome of peace and isolation. If you've ever imagined casting away to your own island, Pedro Cays could be your dream. Heading to Jamaica's south coast, Portland Ridge stands out for its unique limestone formations and dry forests. Located in Clarendon Parish, this remote peninsula is home to ecosystems that seem worlds apart from the lush rainforests Jamaica is known for. The dry, rugged terrain has shaped a landscape filled with rare plants and animals, making it a hidden gem for ecologists and adventurers alike. In the parish of St. Thomas, we find Bath Mountain, famous for its mineral springs. The Bath Fountain Hotel and Spa draws visitors seeking healing in its warm, sulfur-rich waters, believed to cure ailments ranging from skin conditions to arthritis. But there's more to Bath Mountain than the spa. Venture beyond, and you'll find an unspoiled paradise of dense greenery, perfect for those looking to escape into nature's embrace. Let's not forget the Rio Grande Valley in the parish of Portland. This secluded valley is accessible primarily by river, where traditional bamboo rafts glide through calm waters surrounded by dense tropical forests. In the 19th century, this area was a hub for banana exports, earning the nickname Banana River. Today, it's a peaceful retreat, perfect for travelers looking to disconnect from modern life and reconnect with nature. Next, we visit Accompong, a Maroon town in the Cockpit Country. Founded by escaped enslaved Africans, Accompong holds on tightly to its cultural traditions. Its annual Maroon Festival, held every January, celebrates the signing of the peace treaty with the British in 1739. Visiting this remote community isn't just a trip, it's a step into a living, breathing museum of African heritage and resilience. Bonus facts. Number 1. Did you know that the John Crow Mountains are part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for their cultural and natural significance? Number 2. The mineral springs at Bath Fountain were discovered in the 17th century by a runaway slave, adding a poignant historical note to their healing powers. So, there you have it. Jamaica's most remote, yet endlessly fascinating places. These are the spots where nature and history collide, offering experiences you won't find in any guidebook. Which one will you explore first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.